Eating cloves on an empty stomach can offer several potential health benefits due to their rich nutritional and medicinal properties. Here's a breakdown of the advantages. 1. Boosts digestion. Cloves can stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, which can improve overall digestion and reduce issues like indigestion and bloating. They may also help reduce gas and nausea. 2. Strengthens immunity. Cloves are rich in antioxidants and possess antibacterial properties. Consuming them may help fortify the immune system and protect against infections. 3. Improves liver health. Some compounds in cloves, such as eugenol, may benefit liver health by aiding detoxification, reducing oxidative stress, and improving liver function. 4. Helps regulate blood sugar levels. Certain studies suggest that cloves may help in managing blood sugar levels, potentially improving insulin secretion and reducing insulin resistance. This could be beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk. 5. Good for oral health. Cloves contain eugenol, which has anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties that can help alleviate toothaches and gum pain. They can also combat oral bacteria, reduce plaque and gingivitis, and freshen breath. 6. Reduces inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties of cloves, largely attributed to eugenol, may help ease headaches, muscle aches, and joint discomfort. 7. Possesses antimicrobial and antifungal properties. Cloves can help fight against certain types of bacteria and fungi due to their active compounds. 8. May aid weight loss. Some studies indicate that cloves may boost metabolism and promote fat burning. They can also increase feelings of fullness, potentially reducing overeating. 9. Potential anti-cancer properties. The high concentration of phenolic compounds in cloves, which are potent antioxidants, may help protect the body against cancer by combating free radicals and potentially inhibiting tumor growth. 10. Promotes bone health. Cloves contain minerals like manganese, which is essential for maintaining bone health and increasing bone density. How to consume cloves on an empty stomach. Chewing. You can chew 1 or 2 whole cloves directly. Clove water. Infuse 2 to 3 cloves in warm water and drink the water after it cools slightly. You can add a squeeze of lemon for extra benefits. Powder with honey. Mix a small amount of clove powder with honey and consume it. Important considerations. Moderation is key. Cloves have a strong flavor and should be consumed in small amounts. Generally, 1 to 2 cloves a day are considered safe for most adults. Potential irritation. Excessive consumption can cause irritation in the mouth and gastrointestinal issues. Consult a doctor. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, young children, and individuals with certain medical conditions like hypertension or liver disease should consult a healthcare professional before regularly consuming cloves. Clove oil. Essential clove oil is highly concentrated and should be used with caution and properly diluted. In conclusion, incorporating cloves in moderation on an empty stomach can be a beneficial addition to your health routine. However, it's essential to be mindful of the quantity and consider your individual health status.